Hello guys, I'm Halim Kuslas to tell you in this tutorial how to change or fake GPS location on your iPhone's device. How to have the virtual location on your iPhone's device, guys. We will see here live. Yes, it's not so simple, but of course we will make so simple in these tutorials. See guys, it's very beneficial when someone is tracing or navigating to your device and you would like to give the multi-direction movements, single sports movements, or you would like to give a joysticks without doing a jailbreak your device. Spontaneously also apps and application, either it is social media apps or any sports or games apps that have been restricted in the particular country or particular zone, you can be beneficiary of these apps and application, guys, quickly without doing a jailbreak of your device by changing or to establish the virtual location of your iPhone's device. So let's see, it's not a yes possible, manually we can change it, but what is the current location of this device? This is near about Canada, as we see right now, guys. Now you would like to change of this location Canada to China. So how can I? Yes, simply for everything, just we will have to go for another administration, that is iAnyGo. This tool has been, or this software has been especially developed to change the location, to yes, give a especially multi-direction movements, as well as of course you can give more location on a especially location-based apps and application. Either it is LBS games or dating apps and application or travel apps or any social media apps and applications. So now, how do I? Firstly, we would like to change from Canada to especially China. So just we will enter, we will connect the data cable, and thereupon we will go for next. So this is near about Canada. So now we would like to come to China. So let's see, we will select this one, and of course now see here. Yes, we will go for modify. So now it's asking. Yes, we will go for her. So now see here, it's it has been positioned now. So how can I where it is now? See guys, of course now it's in China. Let's see, this device is here. As we see, we can check it out. It has been totally quickly within one click, guys. Now we would like to have in the Russia. So yeah, Mongolia, of course. Let's see. Yes, we will click here to modify, and let's see. So now see, it's in Mongolia. Is it? Yes, it is. Now see guys, here it's in Mongolia, and now once again we would like to become the Russia. So is it possible? Let's say start to modify. So now see, position has been completed here. So once again now see, it's in Russia, guys. See, this is a black device that is now in Russia. We can see it as we see here in the now we can see it. Once again we would like to go for especially single sport movement. So just we will click here to Russia, to of course we would like to come click to the Japan, and let's navigate. So what's the thing that it's a planning. Now we will have to wait here, guys. Now it has been the plans from especially via Mongolia. Now see how easily, guys. Yes, start to move. Let's see. Yes, we have started to move now, guys, here. So see, obviously you can't stop it now also here. Now this is multi-direction movement, so this one. So if we Japan to especially we would like to go for Taiwan, and Taiwan to once again China. So now that we can start to move, guys, here. And now see here, yes, we will go for continue. So now this is yeah. Now see, this movement has been created here. We can stop it also, and distance has been also notifying right now here, guys. How easily. And here as we see, this is you can restore the true coordinates. Second one, especially you can zoom in, zoom out, and This is a zoom out and this is zoom in, and this is especially return to your the current location. What was the actual location of your device? This can be the possible within one click here. Now this is a here. Yes, you can scan. Yes, Pokestops or any sports games, guys, applications, and here it is. As we see, this one is here. This is a multi-direction connections. If you have the connected multiple device in your PC or laptops and you are using this can be also possible. You can disconnect, connect especially device here. This is especially joystick movements, guys, and this is a yes jump teleport. So now once again we will come in the here sensing and the phone, of course. Let's see, we would like to come the here. Let's see Australia, we come in India now. Let's see. Now see from Russia to we would like to have the India. Now see it came in the India. Let's see where it is. Yes, now this black device is in India, near about the Pune. What do you say, guys? How easily you can have the virtual location on your iPhone device? Easy way. This is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Now see here, west, south, east. You can give the also movement here. So the various kind of the feature, but this is all about in this video tutorial. To know more detail, you can visit on this website. This tool is fully supportable on iOS 18. Along with, of course, if you are a beneficiary of Android, then this is highly supportable on especially Android 14 also. So as we see here, the freely chance GPS location to anywhere without doing a jailbreak or root, guys, your device. Yes, within one click you can download. This download link also I will give you below the description box or below the comment box. You can have the within one clicks. To know more detail, of course, you can raise the query below the comment box. The pleasure would be mine to the reply of the query, guys. This is all about in this video tutorials. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.